Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a little hair transformation video. I'm obsessed with filming these. If you haven't subscribed for a while, you might know that I started my hair journey. Like, I just had black hair. I'm Asian obviously, and from having pitch black hair, I like wanted to be blonde and I wanted to like have balayage, and you know, just like they say blondes have more fun, so I was like, okay, let's see. And you know what, I do feel like I have more fun when I'm blonde, so I don't know, come for me if you want, I guess, but that's just how I feel. But the first time I got my hair done, I basically went from a black to like a light brown balayage, and I did really like it. And then the next time I went a little bit lighter, so I think it was more of like a dark blonde, I want to say. And then I wanted to go back in like a year after that to like lighten it up again, retouch my roots and all that fun stuff. But that's kind of when the pandemic hit, so I didn't really get my hair done for like a good 2 years. And then I think like 6 months ago I got my hair done again, and it was like this very nice ashy, I would say like light brown, dark blonde balayage moment. And through all that, I stuck to the same hairstylist, but this time I wanted to try someone new. So I actually went to a different salon this time, and I will like insert the clips. But basically my roots had grown out, and I also just like wanted to go slightly lighter, and that's really all I wanted. She just kind of like touched up my roots and put a toner on top, I think, and this is like kind of how it looks. It kind of looks bad right now because it's been a few days, so my hair's like dirty and like curls fell out. It's kind of a mess, but I will insert the clips of when I just got it done so you guys can kind of see. And guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment down below. It really helps support me and help the channel grow. And also, I'm selling these cute little law of attraction like notebooks on my Etsy store, so I'll link that down below if you guys want to check it out and support me. And I'm doing this new thing where I do a comment of the week because I don't know, I just love it. I feel like you guys have been really nice and kind in the comments, so I just want to do like a little shout out to a comment of the week. And last time I made a video like this, somebody was like, you didn't like show how she did it or like go over the process. So I will give you guys the details if anybody cares. I feel like most of you don't care, but if you do. The first 3 times I got my hair done, I went to the same hairstylist, and she told me she used 20 volume developer with Redken's bleach, and she used this is Haircuts at Tiffany's, by the way, if you guys care, my first hairstylist. And she also used the Guy Tang colors in LV9 and LV7, I want to say. She does like 2 different colors and then blends it. It's really cool. But that's my first hairstylist. My second hairstylist, I forgot to ask like all the details, but obviously she just like bleached it to a blonde and then put like toner on top. And I asked one of the girl who was doing my hair, and she said it was like a 6 neutral and a 4 neutral. I honestly don't really know what that means, but if you guys are into hair, you might like know and care. So that's basically what we did. And this is what the end results look like. She also did like a little trim. So yeah, what I asked for when I go to the salon basically is just balayage. I like for the roots to blend. I hate when things are kind of stripey, and honestly I am feeling like mine is light stripe right now. But I have a few products that I think will help with the stripiness. I'm hoping. I'm gonna use them next week, so hopefully we'll like see how that goes. But I don't know why I always think things are stripey. Like, Josh doesn't think that it's stripey, my boyfriend. He's like, it's not stripey, but I'm like, I think it's just like my hair pet peeve. Anyways, and then I asked for long layers as far as the trim. And my pro tip for when your hairstylist asks you how much you want off, say you want 1 inch, say 1/2 inch, because I said 1/2 inch and I swear to God she took off like 1.5 inches, because that's what they all do. Every single hairstylist does this. So if you like say you want 2 inches off, say you want 1 inch, because they're literally gonna double it. So anyway, so this is the hair journey. This is where we're at, and I want to quickly go over some of my favorite hair products with you guys, because if you're considering getting your hair done, I would highly recommend investing in some really good hair products afterwards, because I just feel like once you bleach and dye your hair and all of this stuff, it just really processes it and it makes it dry and dead. So you really need good hair products to like bring it back to life and make it look nice. I'll start with shampoo. I used the Olaplex No. 4 shampoo, which my friend Felicity got for me, so that was really nice of her. She's probably not gonna watch this video, but if she does, thank you. And this shampoo has lasted me a really long time, because you literally need like a little pea size. It foams up so much. So like, I don't know, I feel like it's gonna last forever, even though it's like on the pricier side for shampoo. And then to keep the orange and yellow tones away, I just use the Fanola No Yellow and the Fanola No Orange shampoo. It's like the blue one. I didn't want to grab it because I already grabbed so many products, but I use both of them like once every 2 or 3 weeks. And then for conditioner, my 2 favorite is the Olaplex number 5. I feel like this does like strengthen my hair more than anything because it says repairs, strengthens, and nourishes, and I feel like it makes my hair stronger more than anything. If I'm feeling like I really need a hair mask, I kind of alternate between the two honestly, but if I feel like I need a really good hair mask, I love this like macadamia hair mask because I feel like it makes your hair really soft and smooth and just very silky feeling and shiny. So I love this, but I feel like it doesn't like repair it necessarily, if that makes sense. Like if your hair's too far gone, if it's too processed, it'll make it feel nicer, but it's not going to be able to like fix it the way that like Olaplex number 3 does, if that makes sense. But it is like literally my favorite hair conditioner, and you can get this at Marshall's for like really affordable price. So I always do that. And if you've been watching this channel, you already know I'm obsessed with this. This is the Cara Color conditioner. So they have like a little bit of color, right? I use the silver one and the blonde one. It's platinum, which my friend Jackie actually gave this to me. So every time I use it, I think of her and I'm like, that was so nice of her to give this to me. And I missed her because she moved and I'm sad. Anyway, these are really good because they just both deposit a little bit of color. I find this one actually kind of makes my hair a little bit brighter, like the blonde bits. It kind of brightens it somehow and just like makes it look really nice and ashy. And then this one is good for toning if you really want like that super ashy, like kind of almost like silver look, which I do kind of like. They're not very strong though, to be honest. So you guys ask me a lot what's gonna happen if you use it on like your hair color. So like, okay, imagine whatever your hair color is, it's gonna deposit a translucent ash on top. So say you have like bright orange hair from bleaching it and you put this on top, it's like gonna make it slightly ashier, but it's not gonna like tone it to a blonde. Like, it can't lift your hair, it's not bleached. And sometimes you guys ask me like if I'm concerned about leaving it on too long, like it turning my hair like gray, whatever. Not at all, because I guess that's not that strong. So if it does like look way too gray or too silvery, it's gonna wash out in like 1 or 2 shampoos, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, love these. Okay, next is hair treatment. Olaplex number 3. I've gone through like, I want to say like 5 bottles of these. I have another one in my bathroom right now. But I love this, especially when my hair like is freshly done. It's always so dry and crunchy. And my favorite thing to do when that happens is to leave this on for as long as possible. We've talked a little bit before on this channel about how Olaplex stops working after 30 minutes. That's actually not true. I found out that apparently it continues to work as long as the hair is wet. And I've always felt like the longer I left it on, the better my hair was. So I would say leave it on like a couple hours if you can. I feel like that really, really helps and makes it super nice. But if you don't have time, you know, like 10-30 minutes is also good. Like, it's better than nothing. And then my 2 favorite hair oils, Moroccan oil and Gisou hair oil. Oh, I love this because look at the packaging. So cute, so classy and bougie. And you just feel like a fancy bitch when you use it, you know? And it smells good. It's aesthetic. Makes your hair soft, shiny, silky. It is a very lightweight oil, so I'm not like worried about it making my hair greasy or anything. And then Moroccan oil, my old love. I am obsessed with Moroccan oil. I feel like it's the best hair oil. It smells amazing, and this is the light one as well, so it doesn't like make your hair darker if you have like lighter hair. And yeah, it's also very lightweight, not greasy at all. They just like make your hair soft and shiny, and it just makes your color looks really nice. So love. Okay, this is Olaplex number 6. I actually store it on its head like this so it's easier to come out like when you're using it. But I love a little piece size of this in my hair when it's like very, very wet or damp, because I feel like it makes it dry faster, and I feel like it really like helps with the frizziness and just makes your hair like very smooth. So yeah. And then if I curl my hair, I'll use this. It's just a Tresemme Heat Protectant. It's like $3. Might be $5 now because y'all, inflation is crazy right now. Like, cost of living, I don't even get me started, but $3 to $5 from Target. I've had it for so long. I think I got it when it was like $3.50. So might be expired, don't know, but I love this. I feel like it's very lightweight, and I feel like it helps my curls stay longer. Not like necessarily this, but I think any heat protectant, like putting products in your hair before you curl it, it just makes it last so much longer. I don't know why. Okay, but yeah, that's it for today's little video. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you next time. Bye!